Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you two simple methods using which you can easily fix the error code 1310. So let's get started. In the first method, search for run and in the run dialog box type this and click on OK. Now again open the run dialog box. Type this and click on OK. Once done, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. In the next method, open your browser and search for advanced run. From the search results, go to the first web page. Scroll down the page and you'll get these options. Now, based on your system architecture, download the file. To see that, go to System Information and in the system type, you'll get that info. Based on that, download your file. After downloading, extract the contents of the file. Now run Advanced Run as administrator. In the run mode, set it to run.exe file. In program to run, type cmd.exe and in run as, click here and choose trusted installer and click on run. Now go to the video description and copy this command and paste it in the cmd window and hit enter. Do it for the second command as well. You'll get a similar message. Now close everything. Now try to install your software and you won't get the error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.